Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I used my Cricut to make these sticker sheets as party favors for a Stranger Things birthday party recently, and I wanted to show you guys two different methods on how to make these with your Cricut. I'm going to show you the process from start to finish. Stay tuned. We're using a Cricut for this project, so of course we're going to start with Cricut Design Space. I'm using images that I found on Pinterest for these sticker sheets, so I'm going to go to my uploads and select the images that I've uploaded already. To find these images, I went to Pinterest and I typed in Stranger Things background to find a cute background that I wanted to use for the sticker sheets. And for the individual stickers, I typed in Stranger Things clip art and I found the images that I liked best. Now, some of these images did have backgrounds whenever I uploaded them. However, I just used the remove background tool to take that off whenever I uploaded them. Alright, so after we've added all of our images to our canvas, we're going to resize them. So I start by just shrinking them down, that way they don't take up most of the screen. And I'm going to resize my background first. Now the background that I found on Pinterest is a standard foam background size, so I'm going to resize it to make it 5 inches tall, and then I just kept the width whatever it was. And as for the individual stickers, I just played around with them until I found a size that I liked. You want to be cautious of this as you're resizing your stickers because you don't want them to be too small. My stickers all ended up being around 1 inch in either the length or the width. Once I'm happy with the size and the placement of my stickers, I'm going to move that background to the side and we're going to turn this clip art into stickers. Like I told you before, we're doing two different methods. For the first method, you want to select all of those stickers. We're going to click edit and then select sticker. We're going to choose the kiss cut option. A kiss cut sticker is going to cut one layer of the sticker, that way we're able to lift it off of the sticker sheet. I like to add a really small border to these stickers, and for this one I'm going to do 0.03, and that's going to leave a small border around the sticker to make sure that they're not touching each other. We also need to make a sticker out of the background, so you want to take your background and move it behind the stickers. Then you're going to select the stickers and the background and you're going to click edit, and we're going to align those to the center, that way everything's nice and centered. After that, we're going to select the background, go back to edit, go to sticker, but instead of selecting kiss cut, we're going to do die cut. Now a die cut sticker is going to cut twice around the sticker sheet, that way it cuts all the way through. After that, you want to select the background and the stickers and we're going to attach them together. This will make sure that your Cricut cuts everything as one piece. So this first method requires you to have Cricut access, but now I'm going to show you the second method where you don't need to have Cricut access to make the stickers. For this method, you want to group all of those stickers together, so you want to select them all and press group. After you've done this, you're going to click on your background, and instead of having one background, we're going to duplicate it. After duplicating, you want to select both of those background pieces and we're going to align them to make sure they're one on top of the other. After we've done that, we're going to attach those together, that way they're going to cut as one piece. Even though at face value you only see one of the sticker sheets, your Cricut's going to cut it twice, that way it cuts all the way through that sticker sheet. Now we're going to add the border around our stickers. So to do this, you want to select your stickers and you want to create an offset. So I'm going to do an offset at 0.03, just like I did the stickers before. It automatically prompts for it to be gray, but I'm going to change it to white. After I've added that offset, I'm going to select the offset and those clip art pieces, and we're going to flatten those together. You have to flatten them because if you don't, your Cricut's going to cut both that offset and it's going to cut that print and cut. Flattening it makes it one piece. Okay, so now we're going to put the background of the stickers together, and to do this, you select them both and you're going to align them to the center like we did the last stickers. After that, you want to select both of them again and attach them together. Once you've done this, whenever you go to cut out your stickers, it's going to cut exactly like the other stickers will cut as well. But this time, it doesn't require you to have Cricut access to make them, so you can make these completely for free. Whenever you go to print these stickers out, it's going to prompt for a print and cut. Luckily, it fits 3 of the sticker sheets on one paper, so we're not wasting a whole bunch. You want to print them out. I always print them using the best quality with my printer. The cut setting that I use for these stickers is the printable waterproof sticker set white holographic, just because I will be adding a laminate to these when I cut them out. You can use whatever sticker paper you like. This is the sticker paper that I'm using. I bought it on Amazon and I chose matte sticker paper specifically because I'm going to be putting a laminate on it, so I didn't need any waterproof or glossy sticker paper because it's going to have that shiny holographic laminate on top of it. And for those of you that are wondering, this is the laminate that I'm using. It's a holographic laminate and I get it from Amazon. It comes in a pack of I think 40, I have to double check, but I really love the way they look. And remember, whenever you're using paper with your Cricut, you always want to use a light grip mat. Any mat that's a stronger grip will be very hard to take these off after they're done cutting. Now I'm going to show you guys how I like to apply my laminate. I don't have a cold laminator, so I find this is the best method to use. So what I do is I take my laminate and I peel away some of the backing, and I take some scissors and I cut off about a ½ inch of that backing just to leave a little sticky flap. This little sticky flap of the laminate is going to help me line it up to my paper without having to pull the backing completely off. So I line that onto my paper and I smooth that out. And then I use the smoothing tool to apply the laminate. So I flip that laminate up and I slowly peel away some of the backing. Then I take this smoother and I scrape the laminate down while pulling that backing away. It's a little bit easier to do when I'm not filming, but that's generally how I do it. And I get these scrapers on Amazon. I think I just typed in a rhinestone scraper because I use this for my rhinestone transfers as well. After the laminate is on the sticker sheets, I just use the smoother to smooth out all the lines and make sure there's no air bubbles on the sticker sheet. And now it's time to cut out our stickers. So we use Cricut Print and Cut, and with Cricut Print and Cut, your paper is going to print with these black registration marks on it. That's going to help your Cricut read your sticker sheets to make sure that it's cutting the right shape. If for some reason your Cricut cannot read those registration marks, you can go over it with a black Sharpie. It'll make it easier for your Cricut to read those marks. And also, if for some reason whenever you go to cut out your stickers and everything's off center, you might want to go ahead and calibrate your Cricut to make sure that your print and cut is working correctly. If you don't know how to do that, let me know and I can film a tutorial for you guys. I think I'm actually going to do it anyways, but that's very helpful if your Cricut is cutting off center when it comes to print and cut. So like I said before, with the Kiss Cut setting, your Cricut is going to cut one layer of that sticker sheet, which is going to allow for you to peel the stickers off of the sticker sheet. And then with the die cut, it's going to cut around that sticker sheet twice. That way it's going to cut all the way through the paper so you can peel away the excess paper and have just a sticker sheet. I hope that made sense, but if it didn't make sense, whenever it's done cutting, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Whenever I'm cutting paper with my Cricut, I like to flip my mat over and peel the mat away from the paper. This prevents the paper from curling. It's so frustrating whenever I'm making something out of paper and it's all curled up. Alright, so these are the finished sticker sheets. Y'all look at that laminate. I think it looks so good. Now, if you don't want holographic laminate, you could also use like a plain clear laminate. I think that looks good as well. And as far as the stickers, this is what I meant by the Kiss Cut, only peeling away that top layer. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video and let me know in the comments if you guys want more Cricut tutorials. Anyways, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!